manually compare actual versus budget results. Instead, let's make a table that updates automatically like this so we can compare monthly, quarterly, and year-to-date results. First, hit equals and type XLOOKUP and then select your month. Make sure you hit F4 twice to lock the row. Hit comma and select the months row, which also contains the quarterly and year-to-date results. Hit comma again and select the values from the whole table. Now close the brackets and hit enter. Let's now use SUMIFS to filter the correct values. Click after the equals, type SUMIFS, and hit tab. Then put a comma at the end of the formula and select the first criteria range from the accounts column. Hit comma and select the first account. Make sure you hit F4 3 times to lock the column. Finally, hit comma again to select our final criteria range, which is the cycle. Then hit comma and select the cycle. Make sure you hit F4 twice to lock the row. Close the brackets and hit enter. Copy this formula into the rest of the cells. Now you can compare the months, quarters, and years to date for any cycle. Like and follow for more tips.